Palantir stock news: how high will the PLTR stock price surge in 2024, and is PLTR better than Nvidia? Today, our focus centers on the potential status of Palantir Technologies as one of the top AI stocks to consider for investment in 2024. There's a question of whether Palantir could surpass Nvidia and claim the title of the best AI stock. If you're interested in more content related to Palantir's PLTR stock, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the key narratives of the day. In the illustrious year of 2023, Nvidia secured the esteemed position of the best AI stock, a notable achievement in the ever-evolving landscape of cutting-edge technology. However, as we shift our focus to the future in 2024, the stakes are high, and the competition is intense, placing Nvidia in a precarious position as it strives to maintain its hard-earned title. Looking beyond the current champion, we find ourselves contemplating the potential contenders, with Palantir standing out prominently. This formidable AI player, having experienced a nearly threefold increase in its stock value in the monumental year of 2023, emerges as a compelling force in the race for the best AI stock of 2024. The question remains: can Palantir truly reach the pinnacle of being the best AI stock, or will it grapple with the challenges that accompany sustaining such a rapid ascent? Palantir, rooted in government contracts, has meticulously developed an AI platform that goes beyond simple data analysis. It delivers actionable insights swiftly, allowing users to access top-tier information at a moment's notice. Initially designed for combat commanders and cybercrime hunters, its capabilities have resonated in the civilian sector, extending into areas like supply chain analysis and anti-money laundering initiatives in banks. Recognition from Forrester Research, designating Palantir as a leader in artificial intelligence and machine learning platforms, underscores the dominance of its offerings. At the core of Palantir's strategic vision is its generative AI innovation, AIP, which enables users to create extensive language models within a secure environment. Prioritizing data security and model feeding aligns seamlessly with the requirements of Palantir's discerning clientele. However, as we look ahead to 2024, a closer examination of Palantir's financial landscape reveals a complex narrative. Despite the resounding surge in its stock price in 2023, actual business growth has not matched such exponential proportions. In the third quarter, Palantir's revenue increased by a commendable 17%, reaching $558 million, a noteworthy figure, yet a considerable distance from the movements exceeding 200%. The catalyst behind this apparent disparity lies in the phenomenon of multiple expansion, with Palantir's price-to-sales ratio skyrocketing from a modest 6.8 times sales at the year's start to a staggering 21 times. The transformation from a seemingly undervalued stock to one demanding such a premium poses a conundrum for investors. The pivotal question is whether Palantir's business growth can align with the soaring expectations of its stock price. The consensus among 15 Wall Street analysts suggests a 20% revenue growth in 2024, a commendable figure, but not necessarily an acceleration from its current trajectory. In the overarching narrative of the AI stock spectacle, the question looms: can Palantir establish itself as the undisputed champion of 2024? The answer, it appears, hinges on a delicate equilibrium between technological advancements, customer acquisitions, and revenue expansion. Yet, caution is advised, as the trajectory of Palantir's journey, if it aligns with Wall Street's expectations, might encounter challenges posed by the substantial premium affixed to its stock. The expansive AI market presents alternative stocks with more economical valuations, enticing investors to explore diverse opportunities before designating Palantir as the chosen contender for 2024. As the curtain rises on this captivating saga, investors are encouraged to proceed with discernment, seizing potential treasures scattered across the AI landscape. The quest for the ultimate AI stock of 2024 unfolds, promising a riveting odyssey. What lies ahead for Palantir Technologies in the unfolding saga of artificial intelligence that is reshaping our world? In the midst of this groundbreaking technological wave that has not only arrived but also sent shockwaves through investment portfolios, Palantir Technology stands as a true titan, surging an astonishing 180% since the year began. Not to be outdone, Nvidia, a powerhouse captivating investors with an impressive surge of 210%, has ascended to the summit, proudly holding a position as one of the world's largest companies with a colossal valuation of $1.1 trillion. Meanwhile, Palantir, with its meteoric rise, has solidified itself as a formidable force, boasting a valuation of $40 billion. However, investors are cautioned to hold on to their financial hats, as the burning question remains: who will emerge as the ultimate investment star in the years to come? Could Palantir outshine the mighty Nvidia in 2024? Palantir, the wizard of the software realm, wields its magic with data analytics software powered by the formidable force of AI models. Envision a tool that not only identifies trends within vast data pools but also serves as the guiding light for strategic decision-making, a true marvel indeed. As the financial landscape grapples with the headwinds of rising interest rates, Palantir, akin to a phoenix rising from the ashes, experienced a temporary slowdown in revenue growth over the past 24 months. Yet, fear not, for the tides are shifting. The third quarter marked a remarkable rebound for Palantir, boasting a staggering 17% year-over-year growth and signaling a resurgence in its fortunes. With a remarkable 37% year-over-year growth in its customer base and an additional 12% quarter-over-quarter, Palantir is not merely attracting customers, it's doing so at an unprecedented pace, setting the stage for robust future revenue growth. But there's more to the story. Palantir recently secured a monumental $412 million contract with England's public healthcare system, a strategic move that is poised to act as a catalyst for sustained growth in the years ahead. Additionally, Palantir's financials are undergoing a transformation, entering the realm of consistent profitability under the sacred banner of generally accepted accounting principles. Analysts, in their foresight, foresee a dazzling future, projecting earnings to soar at an impressive 72% annually over the long term. Meanwhile, Nvidia, renowned for its mastery of high-performance GPU chips, has ridden the wave of AI's unexpected boom to unprecedented heights. Picture this: revenue growth accelerating at a jaw-dropping 200%, a pace that may not be sustainable but has infused the business with a flood of new cash. In the grand theater of AI, companies have bowed before Nvidia, granting it an estimated 80% market share, a clear testament to its early lead and elevated position. As the specter of competition looms on the horizon, Nvidia remains steadfast on higher ground, reveling in the glory of its achievements. Analysts, inspired by the crescendo of growth, now whisper of a 39% annual earnings growth rate, a feat almost unimaginable for a company of Nvidia's colossal stature. And there's more to the story. Nvidia, in a meteoric rise, has added over $500 billion to its market cap in the past year alone, a staggering feat, eclipsing Palantir's entire current valuation more than tenfold. However, dear investors, do not underestimate the underdog, for Palantir's smaller size acts as a catalyst for accelerated growth. While the dream of a more than 20-fold increase in Palantir's value over the next decade may seem audacious, the numbers tell a compelling tale. Earnings soaring at a rate of 50% annually for a decade could culminate in a net income of $8.5 billion. Delving into the valuation landscape, if we apply a 30 times price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, Palantir's potential valuation could reach an impressive $255 billion. While this figure stands as a noteworthy achievement, it remains a fraction of the towering mountain that represents Nvidia's current market worth. However, there's no need for despair. Palantir's smaller size should not be perceived as a setback but rather as a strategic advantage. Palantir's stellar expected earnings growth and its current forward PE ratio of 73 present a tantalizing investment opportunity. The stock's price/earnings to growth (PEG) ratio of just 1 further emphasizes that it is attractively priced for the explosive growth that lies ahead. In essence, this suggests that investors are getting a great price relative to the anticipated growth trajectory. In conclusion, while the race between Palantir and Nvidia might not witness Palantir surpassing the current behemoth in overall market valuation, Palantir holds the potential to generate returns at a quicker pace. The allure of Palantir's stock remains irresistible, inviting investors to buy and hold, capturing a piece of the unfolding AI revolution. As we fasten our seatbelts, the financial roller coaster of the future awaits, promising twists, turns, and a symphony of growth that will resonate for years to come. For those eager to explore more content on Palantir Technologies, feel free to express your support by liking and subscribing. With that being said, I wish you the best of luck and happy investing.